No guessing what time of year it is. It's Halloween on Saturday. Alexa, what day is it?
It's Thursday, the 29th
It's Thursday,
of October.
the 29th of October. We're about to go on the first day of week 8. We've been carving pumpkins. That's my daughter's pumpkin. So we've just had. We're about to go on to your free lockdown. So that should be fun. I'm not sure what much else is going to change because I'm just sick of it, to be honest. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Anyway, week 8. This is the last week of the app that I'm doing, which looks like this. And I just recently found out that the NHS app goes up to week 9. So let's just compare what that is. The NHS app, the app I'm doing. That's what they both look like. After week 9 it does say move on to do a 5k run. So that could just be week 9, I don't know. I'm going to Google that when I get back. I have been losing weight doing this. I've lost a stone so far. But I have been watching what I eat as well, so that'll have something to do with it. Just got back from week 8, day 1. That was 28 minutes of running. We went a different route today, the opposite to what we normally do. So it was flat ground, then a gradual hill up, which really killed me. It just was never ending. It was only probably about that much going up, but I could really feel it at the top of my legs. So I'm not going that way again for a while. Anyway, so we actually done 30 minutes of running, because at the end, the other half, Paul, said keep going. And I thought mine just said stop. And then I wasn't sure if mine said stop or not. And he was just going, so I just kept going. I was sure it said begin your cool down. I wasn't sure anymore, but anyway, we ran 30 minutes. Actually, see how much less sweaty I am compared to what I used to be. Wow. I'm still sweaty though. So yeah, I'm going to go have a shower and then I'm going to look at what the difference is between the NHS Couch 5k to the Couch 5k, what I'm doing now. When I'm out there, I try and get footage. Well, I think I really should get footage, but I don't know how people film while they're running. Especially people who are doing Couch 5k, we're not used to running. How would you do it? And then I've got a house key. So if I take my phone out, I've got to worry about not losing the house key. Then there's the wires to the headphones that will get in the way. I just don't know how I used to do it. So yeah, it's Halloween on Saturday. I'm going to try and hurry up and upload my videos because I'm behind. But thanks to everyone who's been following on this running journey, especially the people who normally see me gardening. Oh, what I was saying before I got interrupted and had to just go out without saying bye, was I've lost a stone doing this so far, but I haven't only been doing this, I've been eating healthy as well, which is mainly intermittent fasting, doing the 8 hour eating window. So that's pretty much just not eating on the night after you've had your tea and not eating breakfast in the morning, drinking lots of water and trying not to eat too many bad carbs, bad sugars, and eating proteins and not too much junk or sweets, which has been hard, but it gets better. So yeah, I haven't just lost weight doing running. You have to diet as well, which it's good because you get used to it. I still love chocolate, but if I eat chocolate and go out on a run, I can feel it. So it kind of makes you think, oh, I shouldn't have had that chocolate. It's not worth it. And I'm getting weighed tomorrow and I'm hoping, because it's been not much of Not really a good week this week. But I'm hoping I've lost weight. Anyway, I've got a box to slit. Bye! Week 8, day 2. 28 minutes of running. See you soon. Week 8, day 2. And this is what I look like when I'm outside. Don't know if you can see me. I just got this lamp so you can see what I look like. There. This is what I look like. I'm going to do 28 minutes of running. See you soon. Just got back from week 8, day 2. Well, I've actually been back a while now. And it was raining out there, that's why my makeup's like this. My hair's always like this recently. And I've got a pain there. I don't know what that is. It's really sore. So that's week 8, day 2. I'll see you soon. It's week 8, day 3. That's the last one. And after this it says run a 5k. Today is got to be 30 minutes of running, I think. Which is what we've done the last 2 times we've been out anyway. We've done the extra 2 minutes. We've pushed ourselves to do the extra 2 minutes. So since today is the last one, and I know it's going to really hurt me doing this, and struggle. I'm going to struggle doing this. I'm going to try and film myself running. Probably towards the end. I've bought myself some new trousers. Some running trousers. Don't know what you can see there. See you soon. So that is couch to 5k done. Not really. That's the last day of week 8 done. Next it just says run a 5k. And the reason I don't look all hot and sweaty is because this isn't straight after that run. This is 2 days later. I thought it would be better just to sit down and talk for a bit. So on that run we ran 5 minutes extra. Doing well for the last few minutes, but towards the end the back of my legs at the top felt like they were going to fall off. So I've damaged them a bit. The right one's pretty much gone now. It feels better because we've had 2 days rest. But my left one, it hurts when I'm walking or going upstairs or bending down. So I've been doing lots of stretches, trying to make it better, but I really do want to get out and run again tonight because we've had 2 days rest. So just going to school. So I thought I'll make this quick video, and I might put an extra run on this video just to see if we get close to 5k. But I don't even know if I'll make a run tonight because I've damaged my leg a bit. It hurts. It's weird not having pain in the knee on rest days, but stretches really do help. So stretches should help with this other pain, I'm hoping. Anyway, I'll see you tonight on my run. I'm not sure what I'll be doing or filming after this since I officially graduated from Couch to 5k, it says. But I'll have officially graduated 5k when I do a 5k. So I might carry on filming. It's just such a shame there isn't any park runs on. I did do a park run once before that my brothers got me to do. When I was doing Couch to 5k, I was on week 2 or something. Can you guess what place I was? in that race. Well, it wasn't a race, but can you guess what place I was? I was either first, I was either in the middle, I was either last, or I was fifth last, fourth last, third last, second last. Out of, I don't know, 70 people. What place do you think I was? I think I'll be able to beat my record now. I'm pretty sure. I guess I'll have to tell you in the next video. Not the one I'm doing tonight, the next one that'll come out after this. See if anyone would like a little guess. Anyway, I'll see you tonight. Bye. 5.51k. I done it. I was going for a 6k.
6.08.
Oh my god. You done 6k? I've done 5.2, was it? 5.2k. So, first time doing 5k. Yay! So the last time when I went out, what I should have said was, I've graduated, yay! But this time I've actually ran a 5k. I went a bit over just to make sure I ran a 5k. Because you know what it's like sometimes with the GPS. So I've run a 5k. And I definitely done better than last time, because last time I really hurt the back of my leg. It was really hurting this time, but I felt if I went any further, it would have like popped out again. It feels like it popped out last time. The back of my leg and my knee at the top. I think it's my hamstring. So yeah, I've done a 5k. I've also my weight's maintained the last 2 weeks. I'm going in the shower. Hello. Can you see me? That's mine. I haven't finished it yet. I'm about to sneeze. That we're about to go in. I'll move to tier 3, whatever that is. Yay! We went to... They probably wrote that much. I'm sure it said begin your cool down. Oh god, I look bad. Just got back from week 8, day 1. Anyway, thanks to everyone. 28 minutes of running. And sort this face out. Well, hello. It's the day after Halloween. Forgot to say it's the day after Halloween. I'm ready now. And the reason why I don't look all hot and sweaty is I've officially graduated. That